do not know what to do. Here is a group meeting, a sad group. Let's see who is so that way.
Here, good day. Is this the grief group? Good. Very good. My name is Seth Fritzinus, and Lisa's my guitar. What's your name?
Jude A.
Life is a tragedy, isn't it? Only frustrated hairdryers wherever one looks. Why are we still here? It does not make any sense.
Did you say something? It's boring. Hey, I'm looking for the wind group. Am I in the right place? Anyway, it should look like this. Okay, I'll sit here. Miss, why are you so sad? I thought you freaks like always have fun and have a lot of power. I'm just, you know, man, nothing amuses me. Not even the air. Exactly. For me too. For me, the air is out.
Oh, my ladies, you speak out of my soul. If there's such a thing as a soul in me, I'm probably just a dead body.
And you know what? I'm constantly afraid. I dream every night of the stinky, dark trash. I volunteer to jump in the waste. Rather a quick departure than a pointless hanging around.
Good morning, my name is Hans Stubble. And I would like to be part of this group. Here, what's wrong with you? I'm dead as I sit around and stare into space. I see little men with beards jump up, sit down, back down, and continue to stare back into the air.
Air. Oh yes, air. Let us have no illusions. We're all scrap electric wrecks.
But I can see quite well. All screws are in the right place. I can still remember when I had some screws loose.
With me, everything is alright. Each electronic requirement is fulfilled. No Lyme, no asthma, no cough.
And I, gentlemen, I have given concerts, and more recently, my fans have become really wild and crazy about me. Say, what about your switch? Is it on or off?
My switch? My switch is mine. I do not want to talk about it. Hey, let me see what's up with your switch. Shame on you! Don't look at a switch that does not belong to you. This is very intimate.
I'm scared too.
Okay. I admit it. I'm scared. How does this energy actually work? Does it hurt?
It's like getting stabbed in the stomach, or does it give headaches?
Hey guys, let us try it all at the same time. Okay, so on the count of 3, all switches on. 1, 2, 3. We are all failures. I knew it.
Well, I was brave, but everything was in vain. I feel sick. I think I need to cough.
Hey man, it doesn't really matter. We have finally done everything right. First, we want energy. Second, we are connected to the main electricity. Third, we are brave. And furthermore, our switches are on. Everything is right. You know what? We cannot give up. We have to try again. Maybe it will work.
Yes, lots of vortex is right. We do what we can, but we can't make the energy. For that, we must wait.
Well, let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Yay! It works!
Oh, we have power and it does not hurt.
Do you hear that? The world is full of music.
The world is full of music. Oh, it roars and sounds, it roars and sounds.
The air is filled with lots and lots of air.
Finally we can breathe. Who would have thought that energy would be so wonderful?
Now I feel great.
Everything is fine with us.
We feel so full of power and useful.
Let's go. There's so much to do.